send chapati, who send food to the dog. Now, how much they will do like this? No, our parent didn't have to do all this. We are doing over in Kali Yuga. We are doing too much attachment to children, and then they say, "Oh, let me get out," and they go. Like that, too much attachment is not good. But to parent till they are adults, and then they leave little bit and then take like that. Some people actually the rule says you can stop parenting पदवीं विधिना येन चाञ्जसा याति देवर्षे ब्रूहि मादृशो गृहमूढधीः गृहस्थ एतां पदवीं विधिना येन चाञ्जसा याति देवर्षे ब्रूहि मादृशो गृहमूढधीः नारद उवाच गृहेषु अवस्थितो राजन् क्रिया कुर्वन् गृहोचितः वासुदेवार्पणं साक्षात् फस्ट् वर्ड् वासुदेवार्पणं साक्षात् उपासीत महामुनि गृहेषु अवस्थितो राजन् क्रिया कुर्वन् गृहोचितः वासुदेवार्पणं साक्षात् उपासीत महामुनि युधिष्ठिरो उवाच गृहस्थ एतां पदवीं विधिना येन चाञ्जसा याति देवर्षे ब्रूहि मादृशो गृहमूढधीः नारद उवाच गृहेषु अवस्थितो राजन् क्रिया कुर्वन् गृहोचितः वासुदेवार्पणं साक्षात् उपासीत महामुनि. The state of the Gnani Avadhuta Dattatreya was talking to Prahlada, and Dattatreya Rishi was Avadhuta, not even having any necessity to wear clothes. He is lying on the ground and having healthy body, but he doesn't do work. And so Prahlada himself had doubt, and so he's saying, how come you are like this? You don't do any work, you don't earn money, yet you look pushti, nourished. How do you do? Then Dattatreya said, I eat whatever I get. Sometimes I get, sometimes I don't get. If I get, I eat. If I don't get, I don't eat. If I get respect, I take it. If I get scolding, I accept that. If I get good seat, asan, I take that. If I don't get, I accept that. So being balanced in every situation. So this is how the mind should be calm. Don't get the mind up and down. Always full, like the sea, the ocean, always having full water. If you take one bucket out also, it. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, like that we are doing sadhana to get there, like some people. But the ideal last chapter described is the one who has realized how he will be. And that is how he is in a balanced state, in a state of fullness, always, always in a state of fullness. So, for Grihastha, how to get there? I have seen Irkale, Ipurka. So, if you go, Shri Anna devotee, Shri Guruji devotee, they are there. So, they are Grihastha, very much live in the world, but they are not here. They have already attained. You can tell. So, how did they get there? Do all work as, offering to Krishna. Be obedient to Guru first. Do what Guru has said. So chant the name. Always be friendly to everyone. Do not have greed or selfishness like that. Doing all those and having patience to bear all bear all happenings in our life as Krishna's will. எல்லாம் அவன் இஷ்டம் என்று எண்ணி அல்லல் படமா. Think everything is happening by your will. Therefore, don't try to forcefully change. You first try to change and then we realize some things I cannot change. I have no control, Krishna. No matter I stand upside down, it's not changing. And then at the point we say, okay, I accept, right? And then acceptance and the leading patiently that life people have done. So how do we get strength for that? By satsang only. So to handle crisis, we need satsang. So like that, they are there. Grihastha's domestic life ullava attained. Irka. So Narada is teaching. How did it started? The whole story of Prahlada started from Narada talking to Yudhishthira only. All the story from beginning, Prahlada story, the Narada is telling Yudhishthira when they are in the forest. That is how the whole Narasimha Avatara, Prahlada birth, all we have studied. Narada is continuing the conversation. This is still 7th canto. We just finished Narasimha Avatara 4th chapter 7. Go. And now we are continuing. Narada is still teaching Yudhishthira. So he's saying everything as Vasudeva Arpanam. Do everything as Krishna's, everything for Krishna. And then be ready to do seva to bhakta. To hear in satsang only very precious. To be with bhakta. How do you know this guru is authentic? Now, for me, I see the bhakta around. That tells me. When a guru direct, I would not go. Guruji says, do not go checking out is this Mahan correct, is this Mahan authentic, do not do. But see the people who are working there, that was instant. I didn't need any validation. One bhakta I saw, but that is it for me. Wow. I'm hearing her voice every day. Sangeeta ji, she's singing the Bhagavatam, right? She's the one. Don't tell I said so, but if you go, you will see she's different. So that was for me. This bhakta, Guruji has me. Yes, Guruji, solid. That's all you need. So then you will see the bhakta. That's why we need to be with bhaktas of Guruji. And near that, inner bhakta in Chennai, if you see Shri Anna had Ashta Sakas around him, and then when others see the bhakta, they understand the greatness of Mahan. Mahan will purposely try to hide their divinity, but when you see the bhakta, you will see that is how. Always be ready to welcome bhakta into home and learn from them. Sangeeta ji, I was like everybody when we go and see, wow, you do a great She won't even make eye contact with anyone. She won't even, try to do chit chat with anyone. Guruji says in Chitrakoot Yatra, யார்கிட்டையும் பேச வேண்டாம், எல்லாரும் பாராயணம் பண்ண வந்தேன். You want to come here to do satsang and parayana, no need to do chit chat with each other. Guruji said first day itself. So serious satsang that is. Then you know, yeah, then I have a chance, right? So that is why you know which jnani is really jnani or is he trying, aspiring jnani, that we can understand. Some are born like that, they are Avadara Purusha. But some are attaining because of Avadara Purusha. Got it? See, some Guruji is born as Avadara Purusha means Bhagavan has given a command to them to do this work. So they are Bhagavan. Bhagavan has come in that form. But when they come here, they make others also jnanis, and then others become jnani. So first they may be in worldly life, but then they have become jnani. So, but they cannot be called Avadara Purusha. Avadara Purusha has the work to Avadara purpose to spread something. So Sri Sri Anna Avadara Purusha they will say, because he was born here to spread Bhagavata Dharma. Only after Anna came, Bhagavata Dharma spread far and wide in South India especially. So he wanted to take sannyasa. He went to Mahapariva, told give me sannyasa. Pariva said you came for another purpose. He left him like that. Then same with our Gurunadar. He also wanted to take sannyasa and leave. Pariva guided him to Sri Anna. And once Guru came to Anna, his life changed. He became another same purpose, doing Anna's purpose. He also did both are together. And they say they will come in team. So it will be Bhagavan. If Bhagavan comes down, his Parshada will come with him, right? All the people will say, I want to go. So when Krishna takes Avatara, Balramji comes, then Rukmani Devi comes, then here Lakshmana came, Bharata came, so they are all Bhagavan's attendants. Each of them will come and do his work. So Bhagavan will come as a team. So some of the Bhakta may be in Bhagavan, in Guruji's Bhakta team they are in that same as Bhagavan's servants. So we cannot tell by outside what one, and they will hide their divinity. Sri Sri Anna said, there are many bhaktas in our satsang, you will only realize their value after they are gone. Anna said that. When they are here, we will see them as normal people, but after they are gone, only you will see there that they were jnanis. Yogi Ram Surat Kumar also like that. He was normal person in the beginning. Then he got mantra upadesha from Guru. 7 days he chanted day and night and he attained jnana. Yogi Ram Surat Kumar. And he will keep telling this beggar about everything. And any magic miracles he has done. So this is powerful to get association of one Mahan. That is why we saw Chanardamna Tule Satsanga. There is even one this should happen in satsang. Your mind should become Manishyattvam, Mumukshutvam.